Welcome, friends, to Crafty Beths. Today I just wanted to share with you, being the last days of December, I wanted to go ahead and just share what I plan to do for the new year. I have my planners all set up. I have my sewing planner here, my regular yearly planner, and I also have a small little kind of like a daily tracker for the month of January. And I was just thinking, let's go ahead and write out everything. One of the things I would love to do, and I'll share with you guys throughout the month, is, a new month by month plan on what I'm doing. So here is our fresh new planner. Here is our new page of a project that I'm planning to do. And one of the things that I would love to go in here and share with you is new projects. This new year, I want it to be a more peaceful year, a more calm, relaxed year. So I would like to bring to you more calming projects that we'll be doing one day at a time, one stitch at a time. No rush, no expectations. If we make a mistake, it's okay. For the month of January, I have planned to make some more koozies for sale. I've been getting some requests on the koozies, and I've been planning to bring in a new collection, and stay tuned for that. Down below, go ahead and comment, what do you plan to do this new year? Are you planning to do new projects or finish some old ones? Let me know. I really would love to hear that. But for today, I have some notes already have been taken here that concern the days of the month of January. I have my little planner, small little planner here, and I just want to go ahead and enjoy this new year. A quiet, more relaxed, maybe more trips. So if you're interested in all of that, comment down below. Come back for more. Upcycling shirts, men's shirts into women's clothing. Upcycling clothing from the thrift store with new dye, new cuts, new trims is another thing I would love to do. So here, I'm just going to jot down a couple of things. I have my handy sewing planner stickers that I've been playing with last year. And that's what I would like to do. So don't forget to come down and join me on your week, during your weekend. Grab a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. Maybe you can go ahead and just sit and watch, or go ahead and make some of those projects with me. Till later. Bye for now, Crafty Beths.